Hello, sir. Have a good day. My name is Vanessa Ferraz, Bsit 1A. So, the first questions. How do you know that there is no letter A in the word mesmerize? Explain. So, basically, how do I know that there's no letter A in a word mesmerize? So, by that, I will spell it by letters because the way you spell and you know the letters, absolutely, you can create a meaningful words and creative sentences. Because spelling is a forming words and it's defined as the proper way to write a word using the correct order of letters. So, the person who invented or made the word mesmerize is Franz Anton Mesmer, who founded a therapeutic movement called mesmerism. So, that is why the word mesmerize had invented. So, I will define the word mesmerize. In my own words, mesmerize, making you give full concentration or focused completely, or in other words, to hold completely the attention or interest of someone. Example, I was completely mesmerized by the performance. Yeah, so that's the example. Well, we can continue to use the word mesmerize as a way to describe an attraction or fixation of an object, thing, or person. The second question, given two squares of different sizes, how would you explain to a blind senior high school student that the first square is bigger than the other? Explain. So, I will use Nemeth codes, our system of writing math in Braille, to explain to the blind person that the first square is bigger than the second one by letting him touch it and feel the object, so that from there the senior high student could also identify the sizes. Nemeth code numbers are shaped just like their literary counterparts, which blind children generally learn first, so the Nemeth numbers are easy to recognize and read. So, do you know that? The brains of people who are blind has a HMT plus, which is sighted individuals is responsible for tracking moving visual objects, shows neural responses that reflect both the motion and the frequency of auditory signals in blind individuals. This suggests that in blind people area, HMT Plus is recruited to play an analogous role, tracking moving auditory objects such as cars or the footsteps of the people around them. This gives us an idea of what changes in the brain explain why blind people are better at picking out and identifying sounds in the environment. So, that is why blind people are very creative and intelligent. They can build pictures using their sense of touch and by listening to the echoes of clicks of their tongue and taps of their cane as the sounds bounce off objects in their surroundings, and they call it in a technique named echolocation. Blind people might not have seen the beauty of our surroundings, but they are the average human being besides, because not being able to see and interact with things as they would, but they tend to develop ways around it, and that may make them appear to the intelligent. Even if it sounds funny, but hey guys, identifying object for them is just an easy task to say. Thank you.